go. Couldn't tell? We are in Frankenmuth. We're in Frankenmuth. Go to New Orleans. They've got the best beignets ever. Well, we didn't get to go to all the shops that we wanted to. Someone pooped their diaper and I didn't bring the diaper bag. Are you coming, Bean? Are you coming? Yeah? There's the water park. There's Ron.
Hello.
We have this nice island with a mini fridge and a microwave. Peninsula. With a little coffee maker, which will be perfect because we brought our own hot cocoa. If you turn right, oh, there's the bathroom. Got a blow dryer, a toilet, and a shower.
Speaking of the toilet, get out of here.
Pretty nice. So you keep going. And you turn the lights on. We have 2 queen size beds. Are they queen or full?
I'm thinking they're full.
I'm thinking they're full size too. Bible!
Don't you guys want to go?
Woo! Pack and play. We got 2 seats, yep. A little TV. And then the peninsula has 2 bar stools. That is our room. I'm wearing my new red leather jacket. Thank you, Grandma. Let's see if it gets put together better than ours does.
Guys!
We made it to the hotel!
Yeah!
So, I'm actually going to leave my phone here.
Squatting, eating my apple position.
To the water park. I'm going to leave my phone here because last year that is what caused it to die. So, we'll see you later. She knows.
I've been longing for this day for a full year now. Can hardly believe it's here. Been trying to make the days go faster somehow, but no chance of that, my dear. Like life was pulling my leg, the days gone snailing by, slower than ever before.
I didn't know they had a tower pool.
Yeah.
Give me your hand.
Last night was rough.
It's always rough. It's 3 kids. It's never supposed
Other way. So if you haven't gathered by now, we are off.
What?
We're off to go get breakfast. It's included in our stay. So we're going to take full advantage of that.
We're going to Brenners today, right?
We can do Are you? I feel like every time I update you guys lately, it's in the hallway. They love that cart. You gonna tell them where we're going to, Daddy?
We're going to Brenners because it's Monday and there should be no lines for Santa Claus.
Daddy's inside already.
Yeah.
Do you want to go get him?
No.
We're here.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter.
Hello, friends.
Hello.
Hello. Look at that sexy thing.
Talking about you?
I was talking about you.
Oh.
We are headed off to Zehnders restaurant
Out for dinner.
for a family-style chicken dinner. Actually, since I vlogged last, we got back from Bronner's, changed into our swimsuits. We're gonna go to the car, bud. You wanna hold my hand?
Played for almost 4 hours.
Then we went to the water park, obviously, and we played for almost 4 hours. It's crazy. Yeah, Irene was feeling a little. It just seemed like she needed a nap, so I hopped on a tube and she fell asleep while we were in the Lizzie River. And then we went back to the big atrium because they have 2 separate water parks here. And Irene and I slept. Well, I didn't sleep. Irene slept. And Ron played with the kids a bit more. So we are headed off to go to our family-style chicken dinner. Hopefully I'll get some more footage there.
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till it's here with me. If you know where it is, please.
Not on the correct
And I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need. And my love I can guarantee. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight.
Now don't you act so coy. Let us go and fill all the little children's hearts with joy.
That is it, you guys,
Yep.
for this Frankenmuth adventure.
Yep.
We're calling it.
It was lots of fun. Definitely a one-day kind of stay thing. 2 days, I'm burned out. I'm not gonna lie.
So we might hit a few stores on our way out of town, but that's it. So we hope you guys like this video. I know that we're gonna like watching it from years on and just remember these awesome memories that we made.
So 2018 Zehnders trip.
It's in the books.
Yep, signing out.
Bye, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Say bye.
Bye.
They can't see you. Bye.
Hold on, let the bean pop
Hold
in.
on.
Say hi.
Bye.